Rajani on board, who's the CMT Senior Technical and Derivative Analyst at HDFC Securities, to get a better understanding of the market and where we are headed. And Vinay, thanks so much for joining us. Good afternoon, first of all, and help us make sense of the kind of moves that we're seeing in the market today, the levels that we're seeing. We've been range bound, but given the gains that we have seen recently in the market, it doesn't seem to be that bad of a trading day coming in, isn't it?
Yeah, true. So good afternoon. So definitely there has been a momentum trend, and in last 9 trading session, Nifty has risen almost 2,500 points. So surprise rally is there. The resistance which was there, actually it has been taken out decisively. The previous top of 23,870 is also being taken out. So now the previous top of 23,870, 23,900 will act as a strong support. So it is a surprise rally, and what I could gather is that in this rally, retail traders have not been able to participate well. They are still actually in doubt. We are not getting those queries, and not any euphoric scenario is not emerging from the retail side at least. So it is on the back of short covering and FIs buying in the markets, and large caps are participating more as compared to mid cap, small caps. Though we can see index rising, small cap and mid cap index is rising, but mid cap index is almost having derivative stocks, so that those are rising on the back of some short covering. So yes, I feel the overall scenario should remain strong. Still looking a very strong setup, and inverted head and shoulder pattern I can see on the weekly line chart of the Nifty, which gives a bigger target from here as well. So it might happen that it can show a running correction, but at lower level it will find support. According to us, 23,900 is a very strong support. Immediate resistance for the Nifty, which we see, is around 24,545, which happens to be 61.8% retracement. So 24,545 is the first hurdle, above which I'm expecting Nifty to go till the target of 24,800 also. So very good setup positionally. Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty are already at all-time high. Nifty could also attempt a target of 24,800 in the coming days. So buy on dip should be the view for the Nifty.
All right, Vinay. Also, in this market, I mean, it's a good day in the markets. We have started moving up now. Any long calls coming in? Any buy calls? That you see?
Yeah. So some stocks in the mid-cap segment started doing well. One of the stock is Care Rating. So Care Rating has actually given a fresh breakout on the charts and surpassed the long-term moving average resistances. So positionally, we have recommended already to our clients, and by Care Rating around 1,202 can go long. Stop loss, positional stop loss can be kept at 1,105. And on the upside, I'm expecting a targets of 1,312 with the first target, and the positional target should be 1,371. So these are the targets. Two targets are there, 1,312 and 1,371. The second pick I would pick is from the FMCG space, Patanjali Foods. So clear-cut symmetrical triangle breakout is there on the weekly chart and looks quite strong, and it is outperforming from this particular sector. So Patanjali Foods is looking very strong, around 1,976. One can go long. One can keep a stop loss at 1,890. Target can be kept at 2,145. So these are the positional calls for next 3 to 4 weeks. So these two stocks we like positionally in the market.
Thanks so much for joining us and sharing your market outlook as well as your stock specific recommendations. On that note, we'll let you go. But while we are talking about stocks, let's